Hi everyone, Dr. David Cullah here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. I am finally, after 9 months, reviewing this awesome product. I had no intention of reviewing this product, but a lot of you guys at home that subscribe to our channel would certainly consider getting this. This is a really great home gym. Behind me you see this orange squat rack. You can get them in all different colors, which is cool, but it's a folding squat rack. It folds up against the wall and folds back down, and it's awesome, especially for a garage, right? You put it in the garage, you wanna pull your car in, you could fold it up back up against the wall. And then the beautiful part is all the accessories you see over here on this wall right around the corner where I can hold the plates. I have a dip station over there that I can hold. There's still a few items I haven't put up, like this. You put plates on here. This is for the pulley system. My bands, I have elastic bands, and the bands that they have are really high quality. I gotta say, all of you have used TheraBands, and after a year they dry up and they just crack and break. Even the tube ones, the thicker ones, they dry up, crack and break. I've had these 9 months. No drying, no wear and tear at all. They're really durable. They're cheap anyway if you want to replace them, but they're just made really well, the different bands. So if this comes, you drill it into the wall and you hang them from there. So this is just an accessory. I haven't put this part up yet, just trying to find a spot for it. But you can see all of my other accessories over here, right? And you can see my dip station here. And then this right here is the pulley system. So there's a lot of extras. The first thing I'm gonna say is this stuff is built really well. They really thought of everything. I have my bars right here, the curl bar and the straight Olympic bar here. And then as you can see, this pulls down. Now, right above it, I have a green screen, which when this comes down, it's gonna hit it a little bit. I did that because I didn't have too much room to hang that green screen. So now you see it comes down nice and flat, and this is sort of a spot accessory, right? So they have so many of these little accessories, but the accessories are really made well. I can't stress it enough. They're just really solid. You can just feel the quality of the materials, not only the squat rack itself, but the actual accessories too. Really quality made, really durable. So I have this, I can put the bar up, rest it on here. I also have a larger one that goes on the inside if I ever need like I'm squatting and I need like a stop bar, like a spotter, right? So this is for a spotter. You put this on the inside of the rack. These smaller ones go on the outside of the rack for obvious reasons there. So you could do squats and things like that and have your own spotter. And then it's got a pulley system, and then this is also extra. But I will say this, the extras are not that expensive. But as you start to build out your gym, you're gonna spend a few $1,000s if you really want a nice gym, but it's worth it, and you'll save that money in a year or two's time of gym memberships, right? So I have the lower pulley system here, and it took me literally 5 minutes to install. I have the upper pulley system here, and I got this accessory, the rope. I also just today went online and bought a V-neck accessory to do mid-back with the cable pulls, and I bought a straight bar and a curl bar. So I bought a couple other extra accessories for about $150 to use this cable system. And then to get the weights, if you're looking, well, how do you get the weights? It's not this way. You actually hang, just let the cable go through, but you pull the cable through, and then you hang this. You put plates on this and attach this. And then this is the weight, the counterweight that you're gonna be pulling. So again, really great accessories, all really well made, really well thought out, durable, tons of storage options. And the storage options are are on their website, PRX Performance. I think it's prxperformance.com. Just Google PRX Performance and you'll find it. And I just can't speak highly enough. I'm really impressed with this product, with the durability, the quality. As far as putting it together and installing it, I had this wall specially reinforced with some plywood behind it because it was just sheetrock, and I just wanted to make it durable. This is a physical therapy center, so this is not a home gym for me, but we also wanted to save space. We're in New York City. So we put a mirror behind it. Be careful with a mirror, make sure it's thin, like 1/8 of an inch. I wouldn't go more than 1/8 of an inch thick mirror if you're gonna put it behind there, and you gotta space it just right. First time we tried to put it in, the guy broke the mirror and ended up with stitches on his forehead. It was a mess. I did have this, I'm not the handiest guy, I will say that. Electronically I am, but with this kind of stuff I'm not. I did have my contractor install it. You can talk to your contractor, but if you're a handy guy, this is really not hard to put together. It's really not. They give you really good directions. They have video tutorials on how to put it in there. Their support is pretty good. They're gonna get back to you within a few days. And I'd say if you're somewhat handy, you will have no problem installing this folding rack, okay? And then of course you got the pull-up bars up here, and it's just a win-win, double thumbs up. I love my new PRX, or not so new now, PRX Performance Folding Squat Rack. And if you got one, I hope you like yours too. Thanks for tuning in. If you guys have any questions or comments about this rack, I'd be happy to answer them. If you want one of these racks, I suggest you go to their website, check it out. I don't have any codes to give you for discounts or anything like that. Sorry. But it is the holidays. Check around the holidays, different holidays. They have sales frequently. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.